4, 3, 2.
Oh!
So
you
close.
can't beat it.
So
you
close.
can't beat it. You almost had it.
I tried.
So this is so cool. I love this place.
Yeah, Megan actually came here before when we did a wings episode on how to make like really hot wings. Yeah, you remember that one?
Yeah. But you know what? We should do a like who has better wings challenge.
That's a really good idea. So we get like their best wings and we put them up against. Do you know a place?
I think I do.
All
I
right.
think if we try here, I think I got one that might beat it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
But if you close your eyes.
Your Trolley Wing Company has so many wing options.
Look at
I'm
this.
so excited.
I've never been here, so I'm really into this right now.
All right, cool. So I think we need to get an expert in.
Okay.
Melissa.
Hey, what's up, Bobby?
Melissa.
How you doing?
So we're here to experience the wings again. However, we want to try your. What do you recommend? What's your best
Yeah.
wing?
What do I need? What do I gotta do?
The smoked wings. You definitely gotta try the smoked wings.
Oh.
So the smoked wings are cooked in the Traeger smoke for 4 to 6 hours. They're flash fried and they're prepared with either a sweet rub or a spicy rub, or you can mix them together. And I mix them together. They're awesome.
What do you
I'm
like?
in. I like the mix.
I'm
A
in.
little bit of both. All right, here you go, guys. Alrighty.
Already.
That's the benefit of smoking, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The smokes. Don't they?
I'm ready.
I'm pretty jealous.
I'm ready.
Have some afterwards, right?
Have a wing, girl. Have a seat. Take a bite. Come on.
Well, I don't want to deny you.
Look how good that is.
So I'm just getting ready.
ready.
I'm just getting ready. Woo.
You ready to dig in?
I'm ready. Cheers to chicken wing.
Chicken wing.
All right. All right. Oh, we're going. Hold on. These are so good.
I'm not even playing. Like, I'm genetically engineered to love chicken. These are amazing.
It's sweet first, I feel like.
It's
And
got that
then-
smoky.
And then it has like a little bit of heat. You know what I mean? It makes the shoulders move. When you get a wing that makes your shoulders move, that's how you know.
These are delicious.
Ooh,
Oh my
let's
god.
Oh,
The second bite's even better. The first bite gets you. Oh my god. They're the best wings I've ever had.
ever.
Ever. I've never had smoked wings.
You recorded that?
These are
Good. See it again?
these are the best wings I've ever had ever.
Oh!
I'm gonna have to come here more often. I didn't know.
You brought me here. You brought me here. You didn't even know.
I didn't even know. I didn't know they did smoked wings. I thought they did like regular, like everybody else. So I'm
What
like,
did you and
oh.
Megan, when you did this, y'all made the hot wings,
We
right?
made the hot wings.
Okay.
Real, like,
They have so
super
many
hot wings.
flavors. The dude was telling me there's 115 different combinations.
See, y'all do it. Y'all put too much effort into your wings flat and your wing flat consumption. Okay, this is how.
Whoa,
This is how you do it.
whoa. He just whispered it out. He just coaxed
Take it.
the bone. Go ahead. Oh! No bib, one man, one wing, by himself. I've never heard Bobby laugh quietly. This is incredible.
I have no words. I'm so good.
That was so good. Honestly, Melissa, thank you so much. So are all of your wings smoked or just those ones that we have?
No, just the ones that you had are smoked wings. The other wings that we have are baked. They're twice baked.
Is this the only, we're in Midvale, right?
Yeah.
I'm an Asian woman, not really good with directions. I just follow sense, you know what I'm saying? So I love that I can smell you guys from my house. Do you have any more locations?
Yeah, actually, we have another location in Sugar House.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you can visit us both places, and on both places we have smoked wings on the menu.
Unfortunately, we've got to go, Melissa, to the next spot.
I did fall in love this morning,
Really
you
good.
guys.
But we gotta be fair.
You're right.
Gotta be fair. We gotta look at this with fair judgment.
We are out here right.
Perfect. There we go.
Okay, well, we just did Trolley Wing.
Yeah.
And that was his suggestion. And then I was like, yeah, I know this place.
And that was his.
Our wings
No,
are
but
better.
I'm saying,
Our
like,
wings are better.
Okay, well, we gonna see, Big Red.
Yeah. All right.
Hold on, what are 2 hog wings? What is a hog wing?
Probably like
Like a rib?
a rib.
You know how I love pork shank. I think about a tiny pig. You know what I'm saying? Like a little
Poor little
tiny.
Disco has so many choices.
I'm so
they even
excited
have
for you.
They even have like pork.
They got
wings.
the oink.
They got the oink. The oink's going on.
Let's go.
I really have no idea what
You
to
know
get.
what? You don't even have to think about it because Big Red is here.
Big Red, if you were
Big
gonna
Red's here for the win.
if you were gonna choose one wing, okay, to put up against all the other competition here in Salt Lake, which wings would it be?
I'm gonna do the Jamaican jerk 100%. We bake all of our wings instead of deep fry them, so they're a little bit crispier. And the Jamaican jerk sauce is the way to go.
Perfect.
Do it.
Let's do it. I'm in. We're ready.
Cool.
Cool.
All right.
Okay, guys. So I switched it up a little bit on you. You asked for our best wings.
Yeah.
Our cooks decided that I made a bad decision on the Jamaican jerk. So we got sweet and spicy. We got holly berry, and then we've got our southern lemon hotties. Southern lemon hotties they're hot, they're fun, they're good.
Ooh, let's
So,
go.
Why did they
Hotties.
say that you made it a mistake?
Because it's my personal favorite, and they said this one's tons better.
That's Jamaican jerk.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you
So which
much.
one's which?
Southern lemon hotties,
Okay.
holly berry.
Which one are we gonna try first, MJ?
You know what? There's 4 of those. Let's go there. That's holly berry.
That's all right.
You're going. Okay. I feel it.
All right. Let's share this.
Okay. Ooh.
To
She's a
to
slippery
Wings
one.
Nuts.
Wings nuts.
Wing Nuts.
Cheers.
Cheers to
Wing
Wing
nuts.
Nuts.
Natural. Oh my gosh.
You guys feeling the wings?
It's good.
Good.
It's good.
Right on.
Yeah. It's really good.
You guys. Okay, Bobby. Okay.
All right, come on, girl. We got 2 types of wings to try. I guess I'll go with the big one.
What is this? Lemon.
This is the lemon spicy something or other.
Lemon spicy.
Southern lemon hottie.
Smells good.
Makes me want to slap Halle Berry.
Woo! You know what? Actually, this is
Keep my
cool.
pimp hand strong.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie?
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want, Willie?
So I think I'm getting a fair judgment when I say, well, these aren't good. These aren't bad.
I'm not mad. Let me say this.
No.
These are bomb.
No. You're good.
But Trolley Wing
These are
Company
good.
is hard to beat, honestly.
These are really good. Okay. Don't get my emotions and all of this twisted.
He's
Okay.
in his feelings, Drake challenge. Let's go. Hashtag my bad.
Okay.
But
Let's finish it. Let us finish eating, and then we'll come back to you with the results. All right, MJ. After trying both wings at both places, okay, we've got to choose a winner.
you're right.
Who was your favorite wing spot?
Bobby, I feel bad about it. Should we say it at the same time?
Okay.
What do you think? Ready?
What-
On 3 after 3.
Okay. On 3.
Okay. 1, 2. Trolley Wing.
Trolley Wing Company.
This mother.
Trolley Wing Company. Oh my! Those smoked wings are
It was so good. I didn't want to lose, but it was so good.
All right, Big Red. Thank you so much for having us, bro. That was amazing. Appreciate it.
Give me a hug.
So good. It was so good.
Atta girl.
Good seeing you, man.
You get hugs and wings.
hugs and wings.
Hope you guys enjoyed yourself, so come back.
Now, how many locations do you guys have?
So we've got 3 in Salt Lake, we've got 1 in Taylorsville, 1 out of the Gateway Theater, and then we got 1 down in St. George.
And for the viewers, what location is this one? That you
This
work
is the
at?
Draper one, so
This
come
is
down
the
here, we'll
only
take
one.
care of you. Yeah.
That's the only one you're gonna find Big Red. So if you want a hug,
Yeah.
if you want wings
Wings
with
and
a hug,
hugs.
a hug.
Wings and hugs.
Yeah.
That's where
He's
we
your
at.
man. Guys, so if you like the video, if you like eating wings, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and share it with your friends.
Share it. Tell them all.
Alright guys, if you want to see more of Think It's Easy, if you like us, hit this button right over here. And if you want to see more, hit this button right over here. Come on, help them out. We like to